off of the terrace. You been watching him. Apparently, you ain't parents. I never knew I would get this big. I never knew I would affect this kid. I never knew I'd get him to slit his wrist. I never knew I'd get him to.
Got him. Doesn't feel very big. Only second cast though. Not a bad one. He's just running at me. He's not too big. I could probably flip him though. Just about, damn. A little bigger than I thought, honestly. Turn M&M down. Got a new POV today. I got chest cam out. I've had this thing in my car for fucking like a year or two, and I haven't even used it yet. But I'm not sure how close or far away to even hold the fish. Like what, right here? I'll have to be looking at this shit later, but it's a good one. Nothing crazy, but just a good starter. Second cast of swim bait. Hopefully I can actually like see the fish and everything. Little chest POV. Oh, very next cast. This one might be nicer. Yeah, a little bit. This one's definitely a little bigger. Literally, very next cast. Oh no! I must have had bad line or something. Oh, I had a bad knot. Tragic. Oh, what a heartbreaker, man. What a heartbreaker. Alright, I just retied, so this is what I'm using. Just a, it's like a weedless jig head with 2 little wires. Weedless jig head with just a Kitech swim bait on it. There's a lot of rocks and logs in here, so you gotta use something weedless. I catch them by casting and reeling, and by casting and just jigging it off bottom. Both ways you can get them. Out of 3 casts, I've had 2 fish. Oh my god, right here, another one. Every cast, man. Literally every cast. Smaller one. Nothing crazy. 2-pounder maybe. How you doing? There's one. There we go, son. Had to change it up. Put a small jig on. Not very big today though, that's for sure. Besides the one I lost. Typical. They're all pretty fat, but just not very big. I wish I would have caught the one I broke off. Oh my god. stay hooked. I've lost the last 3. Doesn't look like a bad one. Stay hooked. It's a nice one. It's a real nice one. I have no net. Oh, I gotta walk them down. I got no net. I literally own 3 nets, man. I'd never bring them. At least 3-pounder. Yeah, come right over here. Let me beat you. Come right over here. Walk them right up. Just like that. Come on. Perfect. That's a chunky one. Let me wash them off a little bit. Sweet. I could just get the jig off of them. I downgraded in the jig size. I put a real tiny jig on. That's a big one. Biggest of the day for sure. It's probably bigger than the one I broke off earlier. This is a heavy one right here. I would get my other camera out and show me holding it, but I'm too far away from it. That's a big one. I'll take that. I'm liking this chest mount too. Come on. There he goes. Here's another nice one. And a small jig again. My favorite lure for this time of year. It's barely moving it on bottom. I'm ever so slowly dragging it across bottom. Barely bouncing it. I don't know, 2.5 pounder, 3 pounder maybe. Probably 2.5, nothing too big. I slack at my line. It's another nice one, 3 pounder. You better flip that one. It's a pretty big one. Yeah, I'm literally taking this jig, put a little trailer on it. You can see I put this little trailer on the jig and I'm just barely dragging it across the bottom. Wicked slow. And I mean, I'm getting a ton of bites. I've probably lost more than I caught and I've still caught like 5. You know, I'm doing pretty good. I'll definitely take it. Oh, that's a good one. That's a great one to end it on. That's a good one. You guys see that jump? Oh man, sick. Come on, beautiful. Let me end it on you. Please don't come off. My camera's about to die. My camera's on 3%. I might have to flip him. I can't flip him. He's too big. Oh, I got him. I don't know how I got him, but I got him. My camera's on 2%. Is it still dead? Oh, it's still alive, bet. Camera's already on 2%. It's caught a nice one. Wicked fat one. It's starting to downpour on me. Camera's about to die. Perfect timing. Get a tank. Bet. Perfect timing. Downpouring on me. Oh my god.